1957 190 SL. Last owner owned the car for 20 years. It's a Texas car, not a rusty car. So nice and silver. Body's real straight on the car. The chrome is very nice. The gaps are good. All right, you saw the walk around. Here's the gaps on the doors. They're all good and even. The rubber seals are all nice, not dried and cracked. Lines on the hood are perfect. All even, pretty. Of course, when you see a silver 190 on the nose, pretty hard not to think of gull wing. I've only had one gull wing in my career, and it was a silver car, so looking at this is kind of makes my heart move a little. Chrome's beautiful on the car. Gaps again on the door, good. Leather on this car, interior is magnificent. He used all the right materials. It's got a nice boot. I'm not going to pull that up and show you the soft top. You can see it in pictures. Soft top's like brand new. Carpet's the correct material. Seats are done correct. Door panels are lovely. Dash is done nicely. Gauge is in nice condition. I will start the car, standing outside the car, turn the key, and hit the button. No, I don't. There we go. Nice and smooth. No smoke. All right, this is the 1957 190 SL with the hardtop on it. Factory hardtop, the rear glass is good. All the seals are good. Finish on the paint is nice. All right, there's the factory hardtop. All right, the engine compartment is tidy. Very clean, nice, well sorted. We do have the original carburetors. These are Makunis. We do have the original Solexes. Fenders still have their original spot welds on them. They are original fenders. See the spot welds here, here, here. Nice clean interior or engine compartment. All right, here we are in the trunk of the 190 SL. You can see the spare wheel wells are solid. Shock towers are solid. Wheel well is solid. Back up in here. Solid. So a good clean trunk. I do have the spare wheel and tire. It does have a carpeted trunk mat. Here we have the jack and carpets. All right, here's the headliner of the hardtop. In good condition, not discolored, not stained. Tight and in nice shape. Nice, smooth driving Mercedes 190 SL. Nice gauges. All of them work properly. Tight front suspension, tight driving. (1957) Mercedes 190 SL on the lift at eye level. Nice chrome, nice lenses, perfect grille, star, bumpers are straight, chrome good, no pits. Gaps are lovely on this car. Eyebrows are pure, no cuts or rust. If I could get the light in here, we could see no rust up in here. See how solid that is? Straight sides, nice. Good body gaps, good lines in the doors, rocker panels. Passenger side is straight, eyebrows are clean, doors are straight, gaps are good. All the seams are here, not bonded up. Very handsome 190 SL. Got a nice eyebrow, straight doors, straight sides, correct seams, good lenses, nice chrome, a lovely piece. We'll go on up and show you the underside. All right, we're under the underside of this 190. Clean, solid, nice, good tires, good suspension. It's dry up underneath here. Frame's in good condition, no rot. Same here. When he first brought me this car, 20-year-old owner, I was very concerned because they had undercoated this pans. So I took a screwdriver and I can't find a soft spot. So even though they've covered it up, first of all, it was more than 20 years ago. So that's how long he's owned the car. They're solid. You come back here to rust prone areas here, solid. There's a drain hole and solid. So there you have it. Good 190 SL, solid in all aspects, driving, mechanically, cosmetically, and the underside.